What's up, guys, and welcome back to GeekSourceHD. My name's Anthony, and if you're new here, consider subscribing, and thank you for joining the family. Here we have an unboxing of the Canon G7X Mark II. Let's get into it. All right, guys, we're gonna jump right into this unboxing of the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II. This one retails for $699, but it's on sale for $599 at Best Buy and on Amazon as we speak. I purchased it for a little bit more at $649 from Best Buy, but yeah, so let me just give you some quick specs on it. It looks like on the side it says here that it has a Digic 7 processor, a 1-inch sensor, which is quite large for a point and shoot. It also has 20.1 megapixels, 24mm wide lens, 4 times the zoom. It has a 1.8 to 2.8 aperture. It's Wi-Fi certified, and it also has NFC for all of you wireless users out there. All right, so let's jump into this unboxing. Alright, so it looks like once we open the box, we're greeted with paperwork. It looks like we have an online photo album and registration card for your camera. We have a warranty registration card to fill out for that Canon limited warranty. We have the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II manual in 3 different languages. It looks like it's in English, Spanish, and French. Okay. All right, so it looks like when we get in here, we're greeted with, okay, wait, we have more paperwork. Let's see what this says. Danger: to reduce the risk of fire or electric shock. Okay, nobody reads that. All right. In this wrapper, it looks like we have the Canon battery charger. It looks like, okay, this is for the NB13L lithium ion battery. So let's see if we can get to that. Oh, here's the battery. All right, so we have a Canon. That NB13L 3.6 volt. It's 1250 milliamp hours, so that should get the job done. And then we also have, okay, we have a, looks like a strap of some kind. Okay, so it looks like a camera strap, so you could put it around your wrist so you don't drop it, or if the camera falls, this will brace its fall. All right, so that's pretty nice. And now for the main event of the evening. All right, so it looks like this is the actual Canon G7X Mark II. Woo! That looks clean. That looks beautiful. All right, so it looks like, okay, we have, I think we have a pop-up flash. Yep, there we go, pop-up flash. All right, and the focus ring for manual use, for you guys that like to do it manually. And I think this was something that the last, okay, so you hear that? A lot of people from the last Canon G7X did not like that, so Canon implemented some type of switch here that instead of hearing that, really don't hear much of anything. Really, really nice by Canon. It looks like Canon listens to their customers. All right, so it looks like nothing else is in the box, so let me just clear that away. So, All right, so as I mentioned, this is the G7X Mark II. It looks like the screen actually comes out. It'll come out like this. It'll come towards you a little bit and it'll come out flat. So if you want to film like this, you can. And then also it's great for vloggers. So if you vloggers want a camera out there, this G7X Mark II is a perfect option because you do have the selfie flip up screen, and it also can mount to a tripod or a selfie stick or some type of grip that you guys would like to use. Really nice. So let's go through the rest of the camera. On top we have a mode selector. Okay, and then there's also an exposure ring. I don't know if you guys can see that. Right there. It's right under the mode selector right here. All right, then we also have the shutter button and then a zoom toggle. And then we have an on and off switch or button, button. All right, and then on the back, we have the record button. We have a, ring function button. All right, and there's a display button and a menu button. And then we have that classic ring that Canon likes to use. All right, and then we have a different array of buttons here. Let me see if I could throw the battery in and see if there's some type of charge to this thing. Hold on one second, guys. Oh, okay. And if you guys didn't know, this is where the memory card will go, also inside where the battery goes. It's like a small slot there. I don't know if you guys can see that. One gripe I do have with Canon, this should be a snap in. It's kind of weird. Like, it should be able to snap in. Why should I have to go like this and then hold it down and then close it like that? It's kind of annoying, especially when you're in a rush to put the battery in and catch some footage outside or something like that. But that's my small gripe. But yeah, let's see if the thing boots on. Woo, okay. All right now. Okay, so as you can see, booted on. It's beautiful. I don't think there's really much more to this camera. All right, guys, so that pretty much does it for this video. I thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, you know what to do. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and join the GeekSource family. We would greatly appreciate it. And in the description below, you'll find a link where you can purchase this camera off Amazon.com. If you will use that link, it'll be greatly appreciated because it helps me as a channel and we can build this channel together. Until next time, guys, peace.